Tan tanan. We have a super cat. 100 the super cat. He's flying while he's sleeping. Look. Tan tanan. 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 I am 100, the super cat. Just don't wake me up. Okay. Up and away.
In other countries, you can now pay for almost anything using your phone. We're still a long ways off from doing that, but in Davao City, one taxi company showed the way by enabling cashless transactions.
Goodbye, underdog. Now it's undercut. The 100 the undercut. Go.
These black taxis are called as per the black taxis of London, but these are not your usual cabs. The Mabuhay taxi in Davao has gone high-tech.